Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BOSE QC2. So these earbuds are completely dead. So I tried replacing the battery of this right side. So after replacing the battery, this side started working perfectly. So this is the old battery which I have removed. So this side it is completely done. Just I have to assemble it back. So in this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this left side very closely. So without wasting any time, let me start. So I am going to take out this earbud. So zooming in for a close look. So now I have to take out this rubber part here like this. So this has been glued here right round. So we have to take this apart. There will be tiny flex cable running around for a speaker and the sensor. So while removing this, we have to be very careful. So to take this apart, we have to give some heat over here right round. Then we can pry it slowly. Make sure that you are not going to break the flex cable. Or if you have hesitation, if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of earbuds, like this is BOSE QC second generation, so please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it to me here in Bangalore. I can share you my address so that you can ship it through any courier. So my number is given here. So after I receive here, I can replace the batteries and I can send it back to you. So let me start the work here without wasting any time. So let me give some heat and come here. So I have given the heat. You can see from this part tiny gap is coming. I'm zooming in. So this is the space here. So make sure remove it slowly, otherwise you will end up breaking the flex cable. You can see the prying tool has gone inside. So alright, further I will clean this and clearly I will remove this and come here. So now you can see this has been taken apart here. So the battery is glued to the plastic part here behind. That is the partitioner that partitions the speaker, driver and sensor and battery. Between these two there will be partition, which is this battery is glued to that. So I am going to remove this battery by prying. It will be very difficult to show here. So you can see the left part is moving here, this bottom part is moving here, this part, the top part is fixed with battery. So we have to slowly pry this. Flex cable is here, you can see. So here this side flex cable is running. So you have to be very careful while taking this apart, otherwise this earbud will be of no use if you break the flex cable. So alright, let me remove this battery and come here. So you can see I'm slowly prying the battery from this side. It has been glued. So slowly it has come out now, you can see. So flex cable is this side. So battery has come. Again there will be flex cable connected to this battery. So we have to remove this carefully. So this will come out like this, but we cannot pull this. We have to slowly remove the flex cable, and again we have to give some heat unto we have to take this part outside. So I will show you that as well, but now it's time to remove the battery. So before that I am going to slowly lift this terminal, not required for us. So I have just lifted that and I'm going to cut it like this. That's it. So this is the positive terminal of the battery, so that we can further lift the battery to remove the flex cable which is pasted behind this battery. So alright, so the flex cable is removed. I can slowly take out the battery. So there is a negative terminal here, it's of no use as of now. So I am going to cut this using scissor carefully like this. So that's it. So battery should come now. There is slightly glue is applied, you can see like this. Simply I'm going to, that's it. So you can see the flex cable here. So this is the flex cable which is very delicate, and this is the partition where the battery was glued. Now you can see how many flex cable is there behind this battery inside. So motherboard is there behind this flex cable, and these are the two terminals of the battery. Red is this one and the black one is this one. So now I am going to just hit this part and take this apart so that we can access this red and black wire behind from this place. I will desolder the wires and I will take it, so that my battery has the red and black wire in that. I'm going to show you the battery here as well. Before that, I'm going to heat here so that we can remove this, and I will show you what to do further here. So I have given the heat. You can see it is slowly coming out from this part. Just we have to pull it. The glue is there. Just we are heating here so that the glue will melt. Be careful while removing this. You may end up breaking the flex cable because this part is open here. So further I have to lift this. So that's it. This part will come out. So now you can see, so the black wire is here and the red one is here. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. We have to use small, very small, tiny DC soldering here, so that we can take out these two wires, and I install the new battery wire. So I will show you the battery so that you can understand here. So this is the battery, and this battery has red and black wire here. So this is insulated battery here. So alright, so without wasting any time, I am going to desolder these two wires, and I can pull this red and black wire from this side, and again I have to insert the black and red wire from this side and pull this side. After pulling, I have to solder it in the minus and plus respectively. So that task, it will be difficult to show here, so let me do that and come here. So now you can see I have placed the battery in the position, and the battery wires I have taken out from this side, from where this battery wire comes. So previous battery wires I have removed. I will show you. So this is the positive wire and the negative wire, which was removed from this earbud, and this is the new wire of the battery. So I have to solder this. So let me solder this to the respective terminal and come here. So alright, now you can see the plus and minus has been installed in the respective terminal. So battery has been placed here. So just it's time to just paste this. That's it, and it should start working. So let me paste this and come back. I have installed this in the charging case and I have tested. The sound is coming in this left side here as well. So both sides started working. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this type of earbuds, this is particularly BOSE Quiet Comfort 2nd generation. So please do message on this above WhatsApp number to replace the battery. I am located here in Bangalore. You can send it from any part of India to here in Bangalore. I will fix the batteries and I will replace resend it to your address. So alright, let me fix this and I will show you the working functionality here. So alright, I have replaced the batteries, and these are the two old batteries, and these are the 4 wires which I have removed, 2 red and 2 black. So finally the things has been back to its place. You can see the work, how clean it is. So let me show you the work here. There will be no marks here, just need to clean further. That's it. Using isopropyl alcohol, it will be very clean work. Alright, so moment of truth. Now I am going to try it to pair the device. So alright, so I'm just turning on the Bluetooth page here. So to pair this device, we have to open this, and there will be a button here. Just we have to hold it. If we hold it, this orange light will become blue here in the middle in the charging case. So let me press this and check. So finally, yes, success. So the blue light has come. This blue light will come if both earbuds work. So once these two gets connected, this blue light will come. So this is in pairing mode now. Just I'm going to click the refresh button in this Bluetooth page. You can see OSIS has come. That is the customized name. So I'm just clicking the pair button here. So you can see as of now the battery percentage is 20. So this has been connected and it is working perfectly. I have tested the audio. Even the sound is coming when we start, when we take the earbuds and put in our ears. That time some sound will come. So that is the starting sound of the earbuds. So finally the earbuds is done. If you have any earbuds like this is particularly BOSE Quiet Comfort 2nd generation. So if you have earbuds like this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. I can fix it and send it back to you. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.